So I reached the point where I was getting tired of carrying all those heavy cases of water. I had to go to the store and bring it to the car and then take it out of the car. And then when I did deeper research, I realized that the plastic wasn't good for us, using all those plastic consistently because we drink so much water. And they said like, when the bottles in the warehouse and they get that heat and they seep into your water and all of that. And I just want to live a healthy life as much as I can. I'm not perfect. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but I try to reduce, what got into my body as much as I can. So I purchased this machine. I did some research and I saw a lot of people using this machine. It's called by Bluevua, and it's a reverse osmosis water filtration system. So what it does, it filters the water, the dirty water from the tap. I just use regular tap water and it filters it really well. I mean, this water tastes so nice and pure. I was so shocked. It tastes nothing like the bottled water. I just bought like a few of those metal bottles and I just pour it in there. The only downside with this machine is some of the water is going to remain in there and you're going to have a lot of waste because you could only run it about twice and there will be water left which will not be filtered and you have to pour that out. So that's the only thing. I mean, I use it to water my plants or, if I have to do some cleaning, mop the floor or whatever, but it's a lot of water every time you run it. If it's twice, I think twice you could run it and get water and it will have some waste. I must say that's the only thing I don't like. So I plugged in the machine here and I have to run this about 5 times. I think I have run it. The book said to run it 5 times before you could drink the actual water. So that's another thing. You're gonna be wasting some water there too if you're big on worrying about wasting water. So you're gonna have to pour that out and just keep doing it. And once you reach to the sixth time, you could drink that water. So I really enjoyed doing this. It's worth it for me. I really think the investment was worth it because the prices you pay for like 3, 4 cases of water every 3 weeks, because I tell you, we drink a lot of water. This will be worth it. And I paid almost $300 for this, and they said it will last about 2 years. I've heard some people say, I mean, the booklet said that you will have, and that's for you changing the filters. The filters will last about 3 years, I think, 2 to 3 years. And I think it's worth it. The $300 is a really good investment. And, I run this a few times a day, fill up my little metal bottles, and yeah. So you just have to read the instructions, and you will see right here in the booklet, it tells you, everything that you have to do step by step. So it looks complicated, but it's a really easy process. So this is right here showing you exactly what to do. When the number reduces, it goes in very high, and then the second number, which is very low, um, it has to be low. That's when you know that your water is being filtered properly. And this is the water coming out there, the nice clean water, because I ran it that few times. And now I am going to drink and enjoy my delicious water. I never thought water would taste delicious, but this water is really good. So I will leave the link in the description. Please check it out.